Hi, Tweetie here. Want you to know that we have links down below in the description for you and quite a few playlists. But right now we're talking about food. Food that you can grow for yourself to stay sustainable. How about growing some quail? Quails are smaller than chickens, but they're rich and they loved by many people. They are also very colorful and beautiful. Their eggs are about half the size of a chicken egg, so it may take a few more than you're used to. They're smaller, they can be kept indoors and in small areas. And their eggs are good and the birds are quiet. So they could be kept in apartments or in small neighborhoods. They are small birds. They don't produce much meat, maybe one bird per person, and you'll need more eggs to substitute for those chicken eggs. Quails start laying their eggs, though, a little after 2 months, and it takes very little to set them up. They need some shelter or cages, and they need rotation of the cages to keep them clean and healthy for the birds, and they need some food. It's going to take you about 5 to 15 minutes a day to take care of them. They'll eat the grain and seeds, and they'll also eat some bugs, and they'll also eat chicken feed so that they can stay healthy and be good eating for you. And you can use the meat and the eggs from them, and you could even make special crafts out of the feathers. Quails add a variety to your sustainability options. If you're trying to be self-sustainable, this might be your option. If you like this tip, give us a thumbs up. And if you want more of these, subscribe. God bless. Angels all around. Bye.